using technology to energize intelligent production, using innovation to reach an infinite future. Lilan Intelligence, creating for the era. In 2015, Lilan was established in Shanghai, focusing on the intelligent production of consumer products industry with project design and integration included. It's a high-tech enterprise that integrates research and development, production, sales, and service. In the practice of continuous innovation, Lilan has developed a dual-center model with Shanghai as its research and development base and Suzhou as its manufacturing base. United with same destination, Lilan devotes to build a professional, focused, mature, and aspiring team. Provides customers with high quality and efficient products and services, jointly accelerates to become a leader in intelligent packaging production lines. Rome was not built in a day. After years of technological and industrial accumulation, Lilan has owned standardized product system including robot palletizer series, high-speed servo-coordinate palletizer series, robot cotton packer system series, fully automatic packing machine series, fully automatic bottle depalletizer series, fully automatic can bottle palletizer series, fully automatic basket loading and unloading system with second sterilization, and so on. And customized product systems such as 2D, 3D visual assisted robot automatic sorting system, robotic pallet depalletizer mixed palletizer, 3D visual plus laser navigation assisted robotic automatic truck loading system, turnkey line integration, and so on. Intelligent software product systems such as AGV, an intelligent dispatching system, WCS control system, and standalone mass system. We provide customers with high-quality, high-efficient, and low-cost intelligent packaging production line and services, making delivery more efficient and the domain broader. Lilan collaborates with world-famous component suppliers, successfully delivers to over 100 customers, more than 500 sets of equipment, and a turnkey line project. Customers are from 31 provinces, cities, and regions in China, as well as over 20 countries. Based in Shanghai, covering the whole country, and going global, Lilan will enter a broader technological battlefield. We step into every factory, liquor industry, beer industry, drinking water industry, beverage industry, condiment industry, food industry, and daily chemical industry. We carry out the application of secondary packaging equipment and customized intelligent production line system project, corresponding research and development work, realize high-speed, stable, and low failure rate operation of equipment, modularized, informationized, and automatic control of production lines, as well as connecting with mass system, so as to provide customers with more competitive solutions. Success can be achieved only by capable people. Lilan adopts method of integration between industry and education to realize resource sharing and advantage complementation and reserve talents for development. The food automatic dispatching ingredient system was researched and developed in collaboration with the Suzhou branch of the Institute of Automation, Chinese Academy of Sciences, an online spectral analysis system, become the leader of our industry. We gather more infinite ideas about intelligent upgrades, cross the higher peak of technology, dive into the deeper sea of innovation, connect production with intelligent technology, makes a better life within reach. Lilan Intelligent Company, the leader of intelligent packaging solution.